We can grow 3D tissue in a fashion that better resembles what happens in the human body. Cancer tumor grows in different ways in the human body. It's a 3D structure, sometimes almost spherical. And so that's what happens in vivo, in the human body. When you try to do that in vitro, in a test tube or a petri dish, it looks more like layers. Just looking at the shape, you could compare that to something that looks more like a tater tot in three-dimensionality versus a pancake. So although it's the same material, just the fact that it has a different shape changes a lot of things. So if you don't have the right shape, then you can really conduct the tests as accurately as you would like to. We're integrating 2 experiments scheduled to be launched at an orbital ATK-7. We're hopeful that these 2 experiments are going to help us in the fight against this devastating disease. I've had the unique opportunity, I've been very fortunate in this regard, of seeing different experiments go to station, and from osteoporosis research to cardiac research to cancer to drug resistance. All of those only had a part of the vision being helping humans go to Mars and go beyond the microgravity environment, but mostly are to bring benefits to people on Earth. And that's really what motivates me to keep going. Knowing that might bring a little bit of help to other people, it makes it all worth it.
Subscribe for more space.